Mashabiki ba timu ya mubira jwa Ngeretha Arsenal kuma kauntini ya Meru ni bagwatanirite na kigongwana na kanisa ya Njotene EAPC Kirwa kiri matinda jao za gukiria nthuki mbithi. Mashabiki ba ni batethete mubira jwa maguru na timu ya Ntirimiti Jungle FC bari kienine kia chukuru ya primary ya Mitone bathithete bobo iri njira ya kureta nthuki mbithi na kinya gukuria mugongo. Kaki Mutegi na Chekinya.
Gikundi gya shambiki ba timu ya mubira ya Arsenal ga kaunti ya Meru bakinyete kanisani ya EAPC Njotene Kirwa kaingo bamukira maromba makwambiria mwanka na nyumani bathikienini kia Mitone guchetha na timu ya Jungle.
Twithera turi gikundi an organized group aria tuthithagia charity events, we do charity work, tukathithia other social events jathaina ndi narua kwambiria mwaka tuambiria na maromba kanisani ya Kirwa EAPC Njotene. Then we have a friendly match against the team ya Jungle Lions.
Muoroto wa gikundi giki gutigira bakureta ngwataniro kuma kona cionthe cia Meru amwe na kurwa na ndawa cia mbogita na nkuruki gutethia mugongo.
Gikundi kiki giatu gitureta amwe ria tukuthithia charity work, wash party together kanisene jora tukari service narua, yani gitureta amwe na tukomba gu socialize.
Our main aim is to engage youth kuhakikisha as much as we are supporting our team irete within confines cia nthiguru yetu nuntu tuina one thing iria gutureta pamoja ambayo ni Arsenal, tukahakikisha antu bara tuina that common interest, we come together tukathithia mantu jaja, we raise funds, tunapeleka children's homes, tunafanya such charity events, tunaenda tunapanda miti at times or with unison ara to support Arsenal. And our intention is to ensure that the larger Meru comes together barabonde to support Arsenal. Tunakuja pamoja, then we do some impact to the community.
Ituenda at least vijana patikana miadarati Petra bajiki engage ake activity at least iko keep busy and ako bayari nyanda chambogita nau
nkuruki
turendi guchetha final inge 14 finals, then tuinue hiki kikombe tukiwa na games kama 3 to spare. Our intention is kuinua kikombe kukiwa na games zingine so that watu kama Manchester tuwapatie nafasi ya kupata hata points 1-2.
Sure bet Arsenal tukukiria ligi, Premier League ni yetu, sure bet Champions League ni yetu, Carabao ni yetu na FA ni yetu. Gutike tukurekeria
Chelsea though tutambiria bwega lakini tunakuja tu na wajue bado sisi tuko na Champions League nawa
kuma gicigo mbunge kia Bore ngiripotera weru weekend nyukambitaga Ki Mutegi.